Want to share your Telegram channel with other people, but don't know where to find the channel link? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. Open the Telegram app. Now find and open the channel you want to share. Once you're inside the channel, tap the channel name at the top of the screen. This will open your channel details and settings page. Here you'll be able to see information like subscribers, notifications, media, and other channel options. Now look for the invite link section. Tap on it to open your channel link settings. On the next screen, you'll see your Telegram channel URL displayed on the screen. You can now tap Copy Link to copy the channel URL directly to your clipboard. After copying it, you can paste the link anywhere you want, including WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, email, or even other Telegram chats. You can also tap the Share option instead. This will open your phone's sharing menu, allowing you to instantly send the channel link through different apps without manually pasting it. There's also another way to find the same link. From the channel details page, tap on Subscribers, then choose Invite via Link. Telegram will once again display your channel URL, and from here you can either copy it or share it directly with others. This makes it really easy to invite new members and grow your Telegram channel faster.